What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In order to use the Notion with the Claude, it's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to download this specified desktop application. The link to the Claude desktop application is in the description. Once you're here, you just need to go to the connectors option. Over here you will see that I have already connected my Notion. You guys can do it as well by just simply going to the add connectors option and click on Notion. Here you will be able to connect it using the connect option. I have already done so it shows me disconnect. When I go to click on connect, you will be redirected to a Google Chrome or the web browser, where it will ask you to authenticate your account of Notion with the cloud. Once you have done that, you guys can simply ask a query, for example, check my Notion, and it will tell you what documents you have in your Notion. So it was use the Notion 2 as requested, and then after doing it, it will show you that I have this certain Notion documents available in my Notion page. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. All you have to do is to connect it and then use it. Let's wait for the documentation that comes back. Still fetching the documentation, and here is it. 4 databases, but most of them are empty shells. 2 of them entitled new databases, placeholder with the new column and no content. So it's pretty easy to use it. I hope you find this really helpful. See you in the next